In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uppercase text in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data, preparing reports, or just want a clean and consistent look, converting your text to uppercase can be incredibly useful. We'll explore several methods, each with its own specific application and benefit, to help you achieve that uppercase format easily and efficiently. Let's get started. First, we have the upper function, a built-in feature of Google Sheets designed specifically for this task. To use it, start by clicking into an empty cell where you'd like the converted text to appear. You'll need to type the formula, EX upper A2, but make sure to replace A2 with the reference to the cell containing the text you wish to convert. Simply hit Enter, and just like that, you'll see the text in uppercase. This method provides a straightforward and quick way to transform individual cells from lowercase to uppercase. But what if you want to apply this function to an entire column in your spreadsheet? Well, there's a way to do that too. By using the formula array formula upper A2A, you'll be able to automatically convert all the text within column A into uppercase. This is incredibly useful when dealing with large data sets, saving you from having to input the formula in every single cell manually. Now, let's say you want to replace the original text with its uppercase version. After you've used the upper function in a new column, highlight the cells with the uppercase text. You'll want to copy these results. Next, locate the original column with your text, right-click, and select Paste Special. Then choose Values Only. This step will overwrite the original cells with their new uppercase counterparts. Once you're satisfied with your changes, and if you no longer need the helper column, feel free to delete it to keep your spreadsheet tidy. Moving beyond simple conversion, you may want to ensure that any new text entered in certain cells is always in uppercase. For this, Google Sheets offers a data validation feature that can enforce such rules. Begin by highlighting the range where you require uppercase inputs. Navigate to Data in the top menu and then to Data Validation. In the dialog box, choose Custom Formula Is and type in the formula exact upper A1, A1. Remember, A1 should be replaced with the first cell of your selected range. Set the option to Reject Input to prevent users from entering lowercase text in those cells. This ensures uniformity throughout your data entry process. There you have it. These methods will help you transform and manage your text in Google Sheets with ease, making sure it consistently appears in uppercase when necessary. Take these tips and apply them to your own work, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.